Breaking update coming in, and this with regard to the Mumbai drugs bust case. In fact, this is with regard to the NCB witness K. Goswami. In fact, K. Gosavi, NCB's witness in the drugs case, Kiran Gosavi, has once again been in the center of a controversy. Gosavi, who was seen taking Aryan Khan to the NCB office on the day of the raid at the cruise liner and had later clicked a selfie with Aryan. Now documents show how Gosavi has written two different addresses on two Panchnama reports on the same day of the case. Also, two Panchnama reports prepared by NCB show one is typed while the other is handwritten. Let me go across to my colleague Mayuresh for more on this. Mayuresh, explain for our viewers what does this discrepancy actually mean and how there have been several questions which have been raised about KP Gosavi, who the NCB has called an independent witness in this Mumbai drugs bust case.
Absolutely. From day one, KP Gosavi is at the center of a controversy because though NCB is calling him as independent witness in the last press conference which they addressed, but if you see that if Gosavi is witness, then the first question was that what exactly he was doing with accused and how he can touch accused and get the accused to the NCB office, because there was a footage which NCP leader and minister of Maharashtra, Nawab Malik, had basically released and showed. So that is number one. Number two, how he basically got access to Aryan Khan, and he even clicked the selfie with Aryan Khan when Aryan Khan was under detention. And now the new revelation has come that there are two Panchnamas. One is typed one and one is handwritten one. On both the Panchnamas, as a witness, there is a name of Gosavi and he has also signed that. But if you see the address, both the address are totally different. One is of Mumbai, one is of Navi Mumbai. So on the same day, the Panchnama got typed. On the same day, one Panchnama of the same case is a handwritten one. And on both the Panchnamas, one particular witness, which is common in both the Panchnamas, have written different address. So that's why there are several questions on the credibility of this particular punch, and that's why NCB needs to answer why there are two different addresses mentioned of one person when the case is same, when the accused have been charged under the same sections. The only thing is that the Panchnama which happened, it happened on the same day only. Then why there are two different addresses mentioned? So these are the questions which NCB needs to answer. Even last time also we did try to ask NCB about how a witness can touch or how witness can get the accused to the NCB office, but they clearly said those who have got any kind of reservation, they can go to the court and will answer in the court, but they didn't answer the media question. So again, as I said, that Gosavi is again at the center of a controversy after taking the selfie, after getting the accused into the NCB office. Now he has basically written addresses of his residential addresses. Both addresses are different on the same day in the same case Panchnama.
Right, Mayuresh, very curious case indeed. Thank you so much for joining us with that.